Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the host for today's event. And market fundamental breakdown is for the time period of 16th, okay, October to the 20th October. We're going through the market price action, the structure of the market, and also we'll be going through different fundamental analysis that will bring volume into the market during this time period. Okay, so I want you to watch to the end. We'll be having a lot of tips and tricks we'll be sharing with you guys. So watch the end. I'll be sharing my screen in a short time so you can be able to get the full details of the market fundamental and technical breakdown. So currently starting right now, you can see the DXY is the strength of the dollar. DXY is the strength of the dollar. And what this means is that DXY moves from this high to this low. And after the introduction of CPI last week, there was a massive push up on the dollar, gaining a lot of strength. So currently, dollar is inside a ceiling. Is inside a ceiling, and from this ceiling, we expect it to start falling to the downside. Okay, so due to the uncertainty that is currently going on in Israel and the whole world, if there is more uncertainty, there could be more buys in the dollar. But dollar has had a very massive rally, and we expect it to fall from this level, creating more structures for sell down to this word support level, also a floor. With that said, we'll head over to the next pair, which is Euro USD. Euro USD is a risky asset. So if you're selling dollar, I expect Euro USD to be bought. So currently, this is what we see on Euro USD. We have a floor on Euro USD. And from this current floor on Euro USD, this is current floor, and the market has touched there, which has bounced off that floor. I'm expecting it to move into the upside, creating more structures and waves to the upside into this selling at this point. Then the next pair on our list is AUD against the United States dollar. AUD against the United States dollar. For AUD against the United States dollar, we have this structure currently in the market. And if you can see, the market came and took out liquidities from this low. Market came and took out liquidity from this low. A lot of buyers that had their stop loss below this low was taken out. And currently, the market is now moving to the upside. It has bounced off from this floor. Bounced off from this floor. Okay, bounced off from here, and now it's now moving to the upside gradually. So we're expecting some buy setups, and then it is going to be heading to this selling before we then expect the next word structure in the market. But we'll be taking our profits at the midpoint, because this could be more of a corrective structure of this wave for one more push to the downside. So based on probability, we're just taking the buys up to this point, then take partial profits and let the rest ride. We already send the signals to our Telegram channel. So if you want to join our Telegram channel and receive the signals free, you can join it. The link is on the bio. Just click the bio below. The link is on the bio, so you can be able to join this our Telegram channel and be able to get this information and insights very well. So you can be able to use it and make profits in the market. The next on our list is the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. So for the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar, we expect more of a corrective structure to the upside for the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar, and more falls to the downside. The falls on the downside can be deeper down to this floor over here. So this is more of the start of the main wave. Okay, so if we see any corrective structure, we're looking more for sell setups for the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. Then the last something else on our list is gold. Gold. The next on our list is gold. Okay, so for gold, due to the uncertainty we saw in the market last week with the war at Israel, there was a lot of massive buys that went into gold yes last week, and also the CPI helped to push the market to the downside for a corrective structure for more buys at this level, 18,600 6,800, and then we expect more push to the upside. So at this point now, we're looking for sell setups, which is more of a scalp trade for sales, okay, for gold. And then when we get the scalp trade for gold, we should now be expecting one more push wave to the upside. Okay, so currently we're looking for sell setups inside this resistance, which is also acting as a ceiling. And from here, we should be expecting more sells on gold, more of a corrective structure of this big impulsive wave. And then we should be expecting one more wave push up on gold. Then for US oil, this is more of the structure we see on US oil. We expect US oil to exactly take these highs out. After these highs are taken out, it will have to respect this channel, and then we expect what a fall on US oil. Okay, so this fall could be more of a corrective structure. It could not go, it might not go this deep, but it will be more of the corrective structure of this particular push. Okay, so this one push to the downside, we also have another replica push to the downside, and then we have a mighty push to the upside, which is going to also have a replica move like this particular one that went up, before we then have the next massive big wave. Like I told you guys, our major target for US oil is $80 per barrel, so let's watch out for that. Then the last on the list is Bitcoin, the almighty cryptocurrency. So for Bitcoin, we expect this currency to go into this particular region where it is right now. And from here, we'll be looking for our sell setups for Bitcoin down to this level of 26,500, also further down to even 25,500. So with that being said, let's dive into the fundamentals. So for the fundamentals today, we have seen that the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index shows a positive for the dollar, which is giving the dollar some momentum. This could be the momentum we need to be able to see some corrections on USD pairs like Euro USD and AUD USD. So CPI for euro was exactly as expected, and this expected figure was higher than the previous, so it's quite high for euro towards continue the push to the upside like we expected. Then we also have CPI for NZD, and if you look closely, 1257 is higher than 1231, which is also making NZD a good pair to look forward buy setups. Then tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we have a lot of news. Australian Bank meeting minutes. Okay, this is more of a meeting, but we're looking into the London session where we have the unemployment rate for the Great Britain pound and employment changes for the Great Britain pound 7 a.m. tomorrow. Then London session, we also have economic sentiment index for the euro as well. So we're looking forward towards the European and the London unemployment rate during London session. This could be the moves we need to see more push to the upside for the Great Britain pound. Okay, and then into New York session, we have inflation rate year over year for the Canadian dollar, CPI medium year over year, CPI teamed mean year over year, and retail sales year over year for the dollar, retail sales X auto month over month, retail sales month over month, retail sales X gas and auto month over month for the dollar. So this would be news we need to get for this for Canada to move the price of USD against the Canadian dollar to the downside further. So you need to join our group so you don't miss out on any of these signals, and we'll be able to use it to be profitable. For Wednesday London session, we have inflation rate year over year for the Great Britain pound. Then we also have CPI for euro and also CPI for the euro central on London session. So this could be a very good opportunity for what a corrective trade, and also we should move more to the upside. This inflation rate will be, year over year will be high because we expected growth in the Great Britain pound, because that was what the GDP said last month, that there was an increase in growth. So this year over year inflation rate is going to be high for the Great Britain pound as well. Then on Thursday, we have balance of trade, which has to do with the total import and exports in Japanese yen, and that is exactly by Asian session. We don't trade Asian sessions, but mainly we trade New York and London session. So on Thursday, we have New York session, initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, existing homes, and then this is also Fed. Powell has a speech by 7 p.m. This could be the next this speech you needed to know the interest rate decision for the United States dollar. So be watching out for that. This could be the move we needed to see more strength and momentum in the dollar on Thursday. Then to end the week on Friday, we have retail sales month over month for the Great Britain pound, and also we have Canadian retail sales by New York session. So we'll be trading live on Wednesday. Don't miss out to trade live with us on Wednesday. Is there any high news? Okay. Okay, we'll be trading New York London session live on Wednesday. So you guys should buckle up and get ready for that. And also on Thursday we have New York session live trading sessions also. So buckle up, get ready. We're going to be making some good profits this week. Don't miss out on any of our signals, and also try as much as possible towards apply proper risk management. Learn from the best and you will become the best. Have a profitable trading week. Peace.